I'm Dardo Rodriguez, and this is on What TV. Scribbling the poems of dead men, like ghosts recycling tomes. My mother dials 999 whenever I'm on the phone, and they respond quick as if there's a fire in my home. I ask them if they can see me. Replies are an omen of hung heads and opiate eyes that told of a life sat in Rome with the slightest of hope that someone will die for their sins soon. And sincere apologies mean nothing to me now. My days of playing Christ be spent and gone. I only wore thorns on my head for an Instagram like, and 3 days is a short existence for a figure as unnoble as death. I've been dead for a trinity, I mean an eternity. Leave me to be the hunchback in the bell tower. Daddy doesn't listen to the ramblings of a madman. A passerby glances and tells me I look tired, as corpses often do. So here I stand, or crumble maybe, or break down maybe. Arms crossed, sleeping on the stone slab, an upside down cross, Nosferatu maybe. The roof of my house is crooked and bent. No German expressionist lens can show you the distorted lens of my mind. My eyes only close on the eve of Hallow. My soul is stolen shallow. I sold my shadow. I'm meeting at the gallows with the masked men, with a Mac 10. Listening to the Rat Pack with the Nab Gang in a crack den. And my last penny's a copper apologies that I post to the landlord late. Blow, Nab Gang.